Wirelessly controlling an Arduino-based multi-directional bot using Bluetooth. To get started, let's gather a few components and tools to start our project. 1. DIY PCB with ULN2803 for multi-direction control. 2. HC05 Bluetooth module. 3. Arduino Uno. 4. 9 volts battery. 5. Jumper wires. 6. Chassis with bow motors and wheels. 7. Android mobile device with Bluetooth support. Circuit diagram. Construction part. Working of the system. Main construction. This is the ULN2803 PCB. This is the ground headers. This is the positive headers. This is the signal input pins, and these pins will control the motors. It's normally a good practice to connect the grounds of the components, so let's do it. Connect the VCC of the Bluetooth module to 5 volts pin of Arduino and ground to GND pin of Arduino. Connect the positive wires of the motor to the positive pins of the PCB. Connect the other wires of the two motors left and right to PIN18 and PIN17 headers of the ULN2803 IC. Connect jumper wires from pin 6 of Arduino to pin 1 and from pin 5 of Arduino to pin 2 of the PCB. Connect jumper wires from RX of Bluetooth module to TX of Arduino and TX of Bluetooth module to RX of Arduino. Please check if you have connected all the wires carefully in the system. You can rewind the video or you can refer to the circuit diagram also. Connect a jumper from the positive supply of the PCB to the VIN of the Arduino. Connect the battery to the socket in the PCB. If everything is right, you will see LEDs light up on the Arduino board and the HC05 module LEDs will blink in succession. Download the Bluetooth RC controller app from Play Store. Select Settings. If your system is working correctly, it should move when you touch the arrows. This is the first build of a smart wireless bot. Further improvements will be made to this system in our upcoming videos. In the next video, you will learn about controlling this system with your voice commands. Follow us to check our upcoming videos, where we add some more upgrades, and help you to make more 5-minute maker hack videos. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get great content regularly.